Today I'm here to show you how to quickly install the ShopGoodwill Auction Sniper on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So the first thing you want to do is go to snipeable.com in your web browser, and then you want to click the copy install update command to copy the install update command for the ShopGoodwill Auction Sniper to your clipboard. Once you've copied it to your clipboard, then you want to head over to your Windows search taskbar, and you're going to search for the word command prompt. Once you search for the word command prompt, you'll see the command prompt app pop up, and you want to single left click on it with your mouse to open the app. Once the command prompt app opens, then you want to right click on it to paste the command we just copied to our clipboard. And then you want to hit the enter key on your keyboard. And once you do that, then you'll see a set of dialogues. You're going to click yes, and you will see a set of prompts that will pop up. It says this script will download and install BitSniper and create a desktop shortcut for it. PowerShell will open and close during this process, which is normal. You're going to click OK. And once you do that, it's going to download BitSniper, extract it, and install it onto your computer and create a desktop shortcut for it that's going to appear here on your desktop. And once that's all done, you'll be able to just double click the shortcut to launch the app. And that's it. That's all it takes to install the ShopGoodwill Auction Sniper on your Windows computer.